The world of smartphones has reached a point where design and innovation are just as important as raw performance. Over the years, Samsung has been at the forefront of redefining how we interact with our devices. The Galaxy Z Flip series has consistently pushed boundaries by blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Now, with the Galaxy Z Flip 8 officially in the hands of users, Samsung has elevated the foldable experience to new heights. After just 7 days of using the Galaxy Z Flip 8, it is easy to see why this phone has generated so much excitement and why many people, myself included, are hooked. This extended article will explore every detail of the Galaxy Z Flip 8, including its design, display, performance, cameras, battery life, software, and overall usability. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 retains the iconic clamshell folding design, but with meaningful refinements that make it more practical than ever. The hinge mechanism has been completely re-engineered, offering smoother operation and improved durability. Gone are the days when foldable phones felt fragile or experimental. Samsung has reached a level where the fold feels solid, premium, and reassuring. The slimmer hinge reduces the gap when folded, giving the device a sleeker profile. The exterior is crafted from stronger armor aluminum with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3, ensuring resistance against scratches and drops. Samsung also introduced new matte finishes that resist fingerprints, giving the device a clean look no matter how often you handle it. The phone feels lighter and thinner than its predecessor, making it comfortable to carry in a pocket or purse. After 1 week of daily use, the design stands out as one of the most refined foldables available today. Perhaps the most addictive part of the Z Flip 8 is its display. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Watching videos, scrolling through social media, or gaming feels buttery smooth. The crease, often criticized in earlier foldable models, has been reduced even further, making it nearly invisible during everyday use. On the outside, Samsung has expanded the cover display to a larger 4.1-inch Super AMOLED panel. This makes quick interaction seamless, checking notifications, controlling music, using widgets, and even replying to texts without unfolding the phone. After 7 days of use, the cover screen quickly became one of the most used features. It's not just a gimmick anymore, it's a functional, time-saving tool. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. This ensures lightning-fast performance across the board. Multitasking is effortless, with apps loading instantly and background processes managed intelligently. Heavy gaming sessions are smooth, with the device staying surprisingly cool thanks to Samsung's improved thermal management system. Storage options start at 256 GB and go up to 1 TB, catering to both casual users and power users who need plenty of space for media and apps. After 7 days, I have yet to experience any stuttering or lag, even while pushing the phone with demanding apps and multitasking between video editing, streaming, and social media. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 introduces significant improvements in the camera department. The dual rear camera system now consists of a 50MP wide sensor with OIS and a 12MP ultra-wide sensor. Samsung's computational photography and